Hello, I'm from the team of Designers League. We are focusing on the accessible shopping system for blind and visually impaired individuals. Based on the feedback from our project's last milestone, we have made the following improvements so far. More interviews and investigations have been conducted. The refinement of the stakeholders and target users has been completed, and more exploration of fields around the project and the correlation between each part has been added. Here's our overviews of our presentation today. When we are talking about the shopping experience in the supermarket, most of us think it is usually a simple in and out 15-minute exercise, chilled and enjoy. But for the people who are blind or have limited vision, it can be a nightmare. We have conducted some interviews with blind and visually impaired people and their families and friends. Besides, the staff from the grocery and charity were interviewed as well. Let's have a look how they think about it. Here's what we heard during our investigation. They have to ask the retail staff, friends, families, or even strangers to help them in their supermarket, and this might harm their self-esteem, makes them feel ignored, or even cause mental health issues. You may now understand that the simple shopping experience that we take for granted can be a stressful and inconvenient adventure for them. They cannot have the same individual and liberating shopping experience as us, since they have problems in navigating in the supermarket and correctly identify the products. The feedback from our interview is that they want to independently go shopping without others' help. The current solution for this problem is either let them shop online or go to the market with others. Here are some existing technologies that may help them in this scenario. However, none of them is widely used technology for the blinds to individually shop in the market without others' involvement. According to the data from the Vision Loss Expert Group, the number of visually impaired and blind people is already more than 253 million, and this figure will rise to more than 700 million based on the estimation, which means there will be one visually impaired individuals in every 250 people in our society, and their life matters like normal individuals one. It is our social responsibility to take care of them. Our current accessible infrastructures and facilities like blind roads and dedicated areas are not enough at all to face this increasing figure. We need to adopt new technologies to face this challenge. Here are four major stakeholders that can benefit from this design. The blind and visually impaired people. Their shopping experience will be improved since they can individually go to the market. Second is the staff from the grocery and charity. They no longer need to get trained to help them, and therefore leaves more time to provide other services. The family members and friends of the blind and visually impaired individuals will be benefits as well, since they don't need to worry about them anymore. The grocery itself is another beneficiary. They will have more customers than the grocery who doesn't apply this technology. There are four existing examples we think are inspirational to build our prototype. The first one is an intelligent shopping cart. It can analyze the items that have been put inside it with voice feedback. Another one is the barcode recognition market. It requires our target user to wear an external headset, which provides voice feedback and visual analyzation features. As for the design of the headset, we have conducted the design of bone conduction earphones and Bose Frame Auto, and these two technologies can be combined together to create a glass-like device. The highlight text is the advantages that we want to apply in our designs. The goal of our consumption model is to design and develop a comprehensive solution based on mobile apps and wearable devices that help blind and visually impaired people to individually shop like a normal person in any supermarket. This model provides users with navigation, feedback, multi-platforms, identifications, and recommendation functions. As for the prototype, it consists of three devices: an app, smart glasses, and earphones. There is a camera on the glasses for image identification. When users scan the item, the visual info will be sent to the app for analyzation. Then the earphones output the voice feedback. There's a microphone on the glasses for voice input. When users need to find something, they can simply talk to the microphone. The voice guidance will be generated to help them. Here are the details of the smart glasses. It has the camera, external buttons, adjustable lanyard, microphone, and earphone. As for the app, we have followed the standard form W3C to achieve a good experience for accessible users. Here are some color schemes we choose to use in our design. And the following is the flowchart of this app. It has three main screens: login, register, and functions. You can register as guardians, staff, or visually impaired individuals. Based on the mode you register, the functionalities are different. Through this app, you can do navigation, identification, report emergencies, chat, and so on. In terms of the feedback, our team decided to adopt multiple ways, including quantitative and qualitative methods, so that we could get useful suggestions from the target users. The activities are mostly conducted by mobile phone. Based on the result from TAM and SaaS survey, it proves that our app has good usability and the most needs of the users has been satisfied. If it is released, it will get relatively good reviews. Here is our future tasks and activities. That's all, thank you.